Hey everyone, I'm Sarah with WTI. Are you looking for a way to turn off pain without the use of medication? I was, so that's why I tried this Kailo pain patch. I'm really impressed with how my pain was relieved without the use of medication by simply placing this patch in the right position to block the signal to my brain. Now, obviously this takes trial and error, and I followed all of the instructions that it comes with and even watched the video as well. And I was able to maneuver this patch very easily. I use it for headaches, I use it for back pain. I also find relief with my menstrual cramps. It comes with a couple of adhesive strips, and it includes directions on how to apply the adhesive as well as how to place the patch in the best possible way for your pain. I like the fact that it also comes with this little felt carrying case so I can keep everything together. It makes it easy when I'm traveling with it as well. And I always keep the adhesive back in case I want to remove the pain patch, but the adhesive works for a long time, so you can place that back on the adhesive and it'll be there for you the next time you want to use it, so that makes the adhesive patches last longer. So if you are searching for pain relief that is natural without the use of medication, I highly recommend you try this Kailo pain patch. The adhesive works well. It stays adhered to my skin even if I shower or I swim, and I have not found the adhesive to be irritating. It does take a little trial and error, moving it around and being patient, but for me, I was able to find places that I could put it that gave me pain relief. So it's definitely worth a try if you're looking for a more natural pain reliever, and that is my point of view.